Hi, I'm Trish with WTI. And I know the struggle is real to find a purse that allows you to carry everything that you need, but this purse from Wrangler might be exactly what you're looking for. It's a boho purse that has a nice short strap that's very easy to put on. It can be dressed up or dressed down, depending on what you want to do. And this isn't my first rodeo. I do love a nice Western style look, and this totally blends in with that. Now, there are a couple features about this that are very nice. It comes with lots of very high quality zippers, so you can get to and close them very easily. It is big enough to carry even your iPad if you want to. The section in the middle even has a zipper so that you can keep things separated, because I know sometimes large purses, it's hard to find everything you need. And then you can zip the top to keep everything safe and secure. Now, what about those times that you want to make it even larger than it is? That's even a possibility here. All you have to do is take the zipper and unzip it, and now it has a flatter bottom that will stand up better when it's full. So if you're searching for that perfect purse that you can dress up or dress down, and it can carry all the things, then this might be the purse for you. But that's just my point of view.